One of the most common deviations in the journey of weight loss is to regain the weight that you initially lost. What if I say you, for every 2 kg that you lose, your body is likely to gain 4 more kgs than where you initially started? The reason for this rapid regain of weight after each session of weight loss still remains a mystery for many people. To unsolve this mystery, we got to understand the science behind it. First things first. Fats in our body are made up of cells called as adipocytes. These adipocytes are formed from their precursors called as pre-adipocytes. The function of these cells are to provide energy. So when you're running out of energy, when your body is running out of energy, these adipocytes are being used up, and that's how whole of the system works. But the problem is, the way these adipocytes react is different in 2 different scenarios. In the first scenario of gaining weight. So when you're gaining weight, you're likely to eat more calories than what your body needs. So this is called as caloric surplus. So when you're on a caloric surplus, the number of adipocytes increases along with their size. Let's say you have 10 adipocytes within you, and because of caloric surplus, this would increase their number and you would end up getting 15 adipocytes in your tummy. But on the other hand, when you're losing weight, you're more likely to eat less calories than what your body needs. This is called as caloric deficit. So when you're on a caloric deficit, the number of adipocytes still remains the same, but the size of the adipocyte just decreases. At the first place, let's say you had 15 adipocytes within you. When you're losing weight, the number of adipocytes, say 15, remains the same, but the size of these adipocytes decreases from large to medium. So the analogy is, the more the number of adipocytes, more room to fill up calories, more chance of getting fat. On the other hand, if we take, the less the number of adipocytes, the less the chance of extra calories to fill up, the less the chance of being fat. The solution for all of this to happen, to escape from this weight regain, is to decrease the number of adipocytes. This decrease in the number of adipocytes can be made only if they are made to starve and then to die. This death of adipocytes doesn't happen all of a sudden, and it needs some time. So only with persistent diet and a long-term workout schedule, this weight loss can be made a success and realistic. So all these fats which say 8 kg weight loss in a month and all these 6-pack shortcuts is never happen in reality, and even if it happens, it is just temporary and never going to be permanent. Thanks for your time. Knowledge is power. It is much more powerful if it's shared. Sharing is everything. Peace.